So how would you say open banking has changed the payments landscape for merchants and consumers?
Yeah, so I think for open banking to me is mainly kind of a regulatory framework that has been put in place quite recently. We, however, have provided an online banking payment solution for 10 plus years. And I think open banking has kind of regulated that and kind of codified and made sure there's a kind of clear framework around how that should be done. But it hasn't changed that much so far. Obviously, banks can now decide if they want to. They can run an API. They don't have to, but they can run an API if they want to for us to connect into. And we're kind of using a lot of APIs. We're finding feedback to banks and regulators. I think there's still some time to go before kind of all those APIs will work well. And that will make kind of the solution even better and even kind of more stable. But other than that, if you think about our solution, it's not only initiation of the payment, it's also kind of collecting the payment, notifying the merchant very rapidly about the payment being guaranteed. We built our own kind of set of rails through which we route payments, enabling us to basically bypass national clearing settlement systems and kind of take receipt of payments instantly and notify the merchant accordingly. Because a lot of banks are not real time today, so you need this kind of a risk of payment execution, kind of certainty risk. And that is not really touched by PSD2, neither is kind of our payout functionality really kind of impacted PSD2 and open banking. So all in all, I'd say open banking is kind of, it's going to have an impact on the industry. It's going to kind of make sure that we and others can connect into APIs that banks provide in case they decide to do so. But other than that, to us, it's more kind of codifying something or regulate something we've been doing for a long time, rather than something that invents something new.